Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Trains Per Network. Enjoy the trains and this intro.
Look at that! Aha! Welcome back, 400! Welcome back! Well, good afternoon, everybody. We got a train on this Sunday, January 4th, here in Iron Mountain, Michigan, over by where Contrast Coffee is. Well, yeah, we got ELS 400 headed north, south. All right, how many people try to beat the train at this crossing? Wow. And I'll be danged. Everybody's being nice. Look at that. There we go, folks. Normally you will have to try to beat the train at this crossing, but not today. The sun is in my eyeballs, but I'm doing this spot. Heck yes. But yeah, we're also at the switch, folks. This is where, let's say, Canadian National was going to come over here. This is the crossing that they would, the switch they would go to get over here. Now, will it happen ever? Probably not. Not too long one, folks, but hey. It's a train, to say the least. Well, I did not expect Iron Mountain to be the first train of 2026. But we shall take it. Let's go. A little trend now going on. That's two times. The first train of the year is on January 4th for me. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like it, subscribe button, and as always, peace out, everybody. Have a good one.